We are here today because we're starting the build on Will's truck. We're gonna wrap it. We got new wheels and tires. We're gonna tint the windows, black this thing out. Something new for us is we're putting in a galaxy themed lighting in the headliner as well as some shooting stars. So to install the headliner and the galaxy lights, we had to tear apart the entire interior to get the headliner out. And quite frankly, this has been put back together a bit. We have the center console back in, driver's seat back in, because we have to drive this over to Wrap Lab. We have a cluster of interior parts, mostly moldings and panelings, some visors, but the star of the show is right here. This will be completely covered in shooting stars and the galaxy light. We have not done one before, but we'll bring you along for the ride. So I don't recommend this, but Braden's sitting, he's going Maybach style. The truck is not happy with us. All kinds of warning lights. There's no sound in it. It's drizzling out and it sounds like it's hailing. Okay, we're here, back here at Wrap Lab. We're gonna drop off the Raptor. Let's see what's going on in the store. What do you got going on? We're excited. Unwrapping? What's up, Danny? We're teaming up with Wrap Lab again to complete this build. But more importantly, we're really excited to get back to the store and get working on the headliner. Gotta get a game face. We are on day 2 of our interior modifications on our F-150 Raptor. Let me just take you through what we've done so far. So we took the headliner out and we have a 2500 light kit. So there's a lot of lights going in this Raptor. And what we did is we plotted it all out on the headline. So we have 2 things going on. We have the galaxy lights and then we have the shooting stars. So we have about 7 or 8 different shooting stars. This is the more tedious piece of this. We're not sure how long this is gonna take us. We're gonna all jump on this here later in the day. I think we can get this whole headliner done in one day. Will, how's it going?
It's tedious.
Did we bite off more than we could chew with this headliner? I don't know, but we're gonna give it a good shot. We have 2,500 lights to install and shooting stars. It's a tedious process, but we're up for the task. So what you get with your Galaxy Light kit is you get these fiber optics, bundles of fiber optics, and you get 4 of these. There's 500 fiber optics in each one. I think our plan here is gonna be to put a box here, run 2 strands up the side pillar, B pillar, and put a box on the driver's side and run the 2 strands up the driver's side B pillar.
Do you want me to get you coffee?
No, I don't want you to
Get
get
you
me
going?
anything. I'll get my own coffee. Unless you want me to do this while you go get coffee. That'll be a good deal. I won't stop until you get back.
You know, I'll just take my time.
We're on day 4.
Day 4.
Day 1, taking it apart. Day 2, plotting out the headliner. Day 3, we put about maybe 600-700 optics through the headliner. We did the shooting stars. Day 4, we're gonna finish all of the galaxy. We're moving along. These guys haven't lost any energy, and we're ready to go. How are your fingers?
They're bruised.
They're bruised. Let me. What do you got there? What is this? Let me see that pin.
Check out that grip on that.
This is modification. Not only do we modify cars, we modify T-pins.
Yeah, look how smooth.
Yeah, let's check it out. Oh. Dude, it's going to be sick.
Yeah.
It's, like, it's nice, organized, good.
Don't-
But it's too much.
Snip them.
You're not gonna be able to see in nighttime.
No, but can you dim it?
You can dim it, yeah, and wear a hat because I have to wear a hat in my car at night because.
How many do you have?
No, I have 550.
You two are like, he's like, redo it.
I know. I don't say anything.
I'm concerned about your safety.
Wrap Lab has installed a ton of these Starlight headliners and felt obligated to give us a bunch of feedback. Remember, this is our first one, and we have 2,500 lights in front of us. But we're up for the task, but it will require some additional help. Now we're on day 5, wearing the merch from FCK Light Bar. Brian here. How many have you done so far, you think, today?
I probably put about
200?
200 maybe so.
Right? And so how hard, like, what's going on? Tell me about it.
Yeah.
What's your technique?
I'm going in with a different technique. I got the ambidextrous, make an incision, kind of surgical if you'd say. And then you go in, poke a nice hole, wiggle it around, and then immediately fill it in with the other hand. Just like so. Oh yeah. The middle portion right here is known as Death Valley. It is where you don't want to find yourself poking a hole, especially when you're leaning like this, straight in the back.
Yeah, we probably could have set this up. Why aren't you using the seat technique like Andrew?
Yeah, well, look, I am not 6'4" like him, so I'm unable.
You think you're gonna get this done today? All of it?
No problem.
Really? Dude, you haven't even started on these 2 boxes yet. It's not good. With a few words of encouragement and a sharp kick in the ass, Brian and Andrew were able to get the rest of the Galaxy lights knocked out, which then allowed Will to put the final touches by gluing and clipping the fiber optics. Now all we need is the truck. We're picking up the Raptor. We're gonna take it back to the shop, put the headliner in, get the wheels on. Yeah, let him go in first.
Oh, yeah. How's it going, man? Nice to see you. Holy cow.
Dude, come on with that. Look at that.
Ceramic.
I love the orange accents and with the wheels going on today. 22. Looks like it skipped leg day. So after 7 days of the truck being at Rap Lab, it's finally complete and we're taking it home. Yes, it is early April in Wisconsin and we're expecting 12 inches of snow today, but it's not gonna stop us. We're taking the truck back and we're gonna install the Starlight headliner. And after a week of tedious work, punching and gluing all of these fiber optics into the headliner, Will and Andrew and Brandon are gonna carry this headliner from the back room of the shop and maneuver it slowly and carefully through the passenger door with all the fiber optics attached and get this thing installed. And a special thanks to Brandon for the hard work of disassembling and assembling this interior, not once but twice, to get this headliner installed. So headliner's in. We have not yet wired the sides or pulled the fiber optics down to the boxes yet. But right now what we're doing is we're clipping all of the excess fiber optics to get some weight off the roof. This is the most satisfying process, clipping this. After that, we're gonna wire the fiber optics down to the boxes. We're gonna put in the paneling and wire up to the power and we should be good to go. The shooting stars are maybe not the strongest point of our performance.
Yeah, it's a little crooked. It's okay. It's okay though.
We're almost done. It's been a long journey here, but we got the headliner in. We got all the fiber optics wired through the B pillars. The left side of the truck or the passenger side of the truck, we got wired to this box. We have the driver's side of the truck coming down the B pillar wired to that box. And in the rear corner, we have the shooting stars wired to a box that's behind the rear seat. So far, so good. Looks OEM, looks really well done, especially for our first go at the Galaxy lights. So real proud of the team here, and we'll button this thing up and get it all washed and detailed and get it out on the road. So the headliner is complete, and we're real excited to get this project done. We have 2 more things left to complete on this build. We have the Eibach leveling kit and the 22-inch niche wheels with Toyo open country tires supplied to us by our sponsor, Wheel Pros. Also, want to thank Lee's Automotive with powder coating these niche wheels bright orange to go perfectly with the wrap accents on the truck. Wow. Dude. The build is complete. 2024 F-150 Raptor, Will's truck. It took about 2 weeks to get this job done. And you know what? It was inspired by the 2023 Raptor, Andrew's truck, which you all saw, link in the description for that video. Let's walk around it, tell you what we've done. Our partners at Rap Lab did a fantastic job. The accents of the tan just look fantastic. The tan here and the tan around the light here on this side, because on the opposite end is the tan on the front driver's side headlight. We put a tonneau cover, a hard tonneau cover on this. We tinted out the windows, and check out these wheels. 22-inch niche wheels. Now the Raptor, as you all know, is a Baja truck. That comes with, I think, 18s, right, Brayden? 17. We went 22s on the Raptor, niche wheels, powder coated in bright orange, and they are wrapped around these Toyo open country ATs, 37-inch wheels. So, I mean, they weigh about 140 pounds each, so that's pretty heavy. Coming around the front, we pinstriped the Ford logo just to accent the Ford on the front. Remember, this is on the 2024 is a new textured material. Looks outstanding. So now let's check out the inside. I think it's the first ever 2024 F-150 Raptor. The Starlight Galaxy. We have it set up right now in all different colors, but there's over 2,400 lights poked through this headliner. It took us a couple days to do, but we think it came out great. Quite frankly, I'm not sure you could tell that it's there without the lights on. So what a great project. Will couldn't be happier with this. Another great build done at Middleton Motorsports. Check us out at middletonmotorsports.com. We can customize your truck, customize your car. We know we do performance well. Thanks, guys.
Bossy, bossy, bossy.